how to create a digital garden on Notion. In this video, I'll show you how to create a digital garden on Notion. So to get started, go ahead and open notion.com into your preferred browser and then sign in into your Notion account. So simply click on this continue as this user if you have your Google account signed in into your browser. And then once you're on Notion, go ahead and head over into that page where you have your digital garden draft or create a page where you want to place your digital garden. So once you're in here, go ahead and click on this plus button at the right side of private and then name this as digital garden. And then go ahead and add an icon or emoji for this specific page, which presents a garden. So after this, you can go ahead and proceed on setting up your database. Add a table, board, or gallery view. These are great for organizing notes. Create columns like title, stage, tags, date added, or last edited. So title would be your idea or note, and stage would be seedling, growing, evergreen, and the tags would be topics like productivity, philosophy, or tech. After that, go ahead and create your note template. So click the new button in your database and select customize template and add sections like summary, key ideas, links to related notes, and reflections. You can also add your first note. So start with a few ideas or learnings you've recently had. Don't worry about perfection. Digital gardens are meant to evolve, tag them, and assign a stage. So in my case, I use Notion AI to generate my digital garden, but if you want to personalize it yourself, you can go ahead and personalize it and create a database, notes, add board view, gallery view, and filtered views of your data that you've entered on your Notion digital garden. Now, once you're satisfied with this, you can go ahead and share this to anyone whom you want to share this or publish it to the web. And that is how you can basically create a digital garden on Notion. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.